Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to Junk Journal January for 2026. So let's grab our junk journals and dive into another creative session. Today's prompt for day 25 of Junk Journal January is rest. And as I talked a bit about it in yesterday's video, the rest is much needed at the moment. I feel like, I don't know, I have so much going on besides the Junk Journal January challenge, as we have a lot of work to do and stuff, and so it gets a bit busy at the moment, and so I really need some rest, and just decided to make a quick little collage mood board inspired spread, dreaming of the moment when we have again some time for really productive rest in a way. So just a quick reminder that rest is productive in itself, but it's something we so often miss in today's super productivity focused world we live in a way. So I thought it would be nice to just have that as a little reminder, and I did just print out a bunch of different inspiration photos of resting and places where I would love to rest, have a good cup of coffee or make a little picnic. And so hopefully those times will come very soon. But first, just a few projects that need to get done before everything will hopefully slow down a bit again. And for now, I just allow myself to rest with this quick and easy spread. And I, to be honest, really love the simplicity of this spread, and I think it turned out great. Just a little mood board collage and a quote. That's all that is needed if you have a beautiful vintage inspired book page to work on, I guess. So really satisfied with how simple and yet nice today's spread turned out. Don't shy away from simple spreads every now and then. I can't wait for the weather to finally get a bit nicer again, to go out in nature and just allow myself to rest a bit. I hope you enjoyed this creative session as well. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. Thanks so much for watching. See you very soon. Until then, happy creating.